How to change your profile picture on Wattpad app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Wattpad app, easy and fast. So first thing, go to Wattpad. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and then click on the settings option right here, and click on account settings, the first option, and it will take you to this page. Now just click on here on your profile picture to change it. As you can see, it's right in here, tap to change. After you click on it, choose from your gallery the photo that you want, easy, and it will be updated. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.